When you buy a soil conditioner, it will quickly become your most valuable and frequently used attachment. Are you willing to risk your business reputation on the strength of a U-bolt or a weak chain link? If you choose a knockoff soil conditioner, you may do just that. When you put the BOBCAT soil conditioner side by side with others, the differences in quality are easy to see. But you'll also see many subtle BOBCAT design advantages that will keep you on the job site and out of the shop. Let's take a closer look at some of the differences. It all starts with the drive system. BOBCAT soil conditioners have a larger displacement motor with direct drive and no chains like other brands. And it's protected by the seal guard to keep out dirt and dust. This design is maintenance-free and has fewer parts. Look at these other details. You have a large pivot pin right here, which is a key load-bearing point, and the frame is fully welded for greater strength. I can complete my maintenance with a grease gun. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Chain maintenance. The drive chain should be inspected monthly. On other brands, the maintenance hassles begin here. This chain drive adds more time and mess to every attachment inspection. And the chain idlers and rollers are plastic. This is right out of their manual. New chain has a tendency to stretch. Right. It's necessary to check the chain tension to prevent flopping around, thus causing potential problems. If chain becomes excessively loose, it may be necessary to remove one link. If unable to reassemble, add an offset link to lengthen the chain. Sounds like you'll be chained to the shop for the morning. Remember that BOBCAT seal guard I showed you? These guys rely on grease to keep dirt and dust out of this bearing. The manual says, grease coming from the bearing oozes into the protecting collar, keeping dust and particles from entering the seal area. That's right down in the dirt. I've read enough. The frame has U-bolts and fewer welds, definitely not as strong. And this pivot pin has 5 grease points. 2 of them are underneath this plate. Have fun greasing them after a day in the mud. Both use 2-inch tube steel, but the similarities end there. Just look at the overall differences in quality, steel, and design. Their bolster frame is attached with a U-bolt, and the smaller shaft supports this smaller pneumatic tire. The larger foam-filled BOBCAT tires are mounted to this oscillating crossmember for better performance. At times, the majority of the machine weight is transferred to this point. Does this one look like it can handle the weight of your loader? Your soil conditioner has to be built well. U-bolts and drive chains will only compromise durability. BOBCAT soil conditioners are built tougher and require less maintenance. Don't settle for less. Insist on genuine BOBCAT attachments for a clear BOBCAT advantage.